I'm Paul Dickinson, I'm the head coach of the England national culinary team.
My name's Adam Thomson and I'm the team captain.
The England team's been around for circa 50 years. It was pulled together by the BCF, which is the British Culinary Federation, to sort of drive competitive edge and represent chefs in hospitality. To have someone like Wrapmaster as a sponsor, I think is fantastic. Products they produce are integral to everything we do.
Wrapmaster Chef System allows you to take cling film out without the cling film being dirty, without any cross-contamination. So from a food safety aspect, and in our professional kitchens, the Wrapmaster system allows you to have proper food safety controls.
It's about efficiency and productivity. You can pull it out, you can wrap it round and cut it. So you don't need a knife, you're not going to hurt yourself. It's easy to clean, and it really is about, it fits into the chef's world.
Wrapmaster allows us to cut the cling film really quick, really fast and efficiently. So instead of having that loose cling film where it's all tied up and dirty, you can use it speedy and efficient.
When it comes to pulling off some cling film or foil or parchment paper, it's quick, it's easy, it works, and it makes life a lot easier.